Here's everything you need to know about OpenAI o1, which was announced just yesterday. So first of all, they are making some bold claims about the performance. Not only is this going to outperform normal people, they claim it's also going to offer a similar level of intelligence in technical scientific subjects compared to PhD students. This is partly made possible because they are emphasizing its ability to reason. If you've seen any of the demos, you'll notice that it doesn't immediately write back. It actually spends some time thinking about what it's going to respond. And this is their explanation for why they've named it o1. They're saying that this is a new beginning for AI, a new level of capability. So we're resetting the counter back to 1. Next is safety. Again, you've probably seen videos of people jailbreaking or doing quite amusing things with AI as well. They're claiming that this is remarkably more improved upon from GPT 4.0, a difference of 22 to 48 on their jailbreaking score. They also mentioned that they've reached formalized agreements with the US and UK about AI safety. So who's this for? Well, the example they give is healthcare researchers, and if you watch some of the videos here, especially the one on genetics, it makes the point of, well, you can be very knowledgeable on the technicalities of a subject, but if you're talking about genes, there's thousands and thousands of genes to remember. A human can't keep all of that knowledge in their head, but an AI can. How cool. And then lastly, the sad bit is if we scroll all the way down to the bottom here, only if you are a developer tier 5 account are you getting access to this right away. Sadly, I'm not, but as soon as I have access to the API to start adding OpenAI o1 into Bubble Apps, you'll get a video from me showing you just how to do that.